Hey, what's going on, you all? It is Demetrius and I am back. This time I'm going to be showing you how I created this amazing holiday tablescape using products from the Home Depot and products that I've already had around the house from the last holiday. So let's just dive right into it because you are going to love this one. So in order to bring your holiday tablescape alive this year, you'll need this pre-lit faux garland, which will act as your table runner and create an additional layer of lighting at the table. And then I've chosen to bring in more lighting with this candlestick holder and this really nice gold candlestick for a really festive touch. And then of course, you'll need a tablecloth. And I always suggest using a fabric tablecloth versus a paper or plastic one. I mean, the fabric tablecloths just truly elevate the experience. And I mean, it's the holidays after all, so really treat your family nice. And then of course, you'll need some ornaments. So I've chosen this really nice silver, gold, and gray combination to really keep my theme intact. And you'll also need water glasses, wine glasses, your favorite set of silverware, dinner napkins, plates, and bowls. The first thing you'll need is a nice tablecloth to set the foundation for your tablescape. Then go ahead and add your garland across the center of your table and be sure to fluff out all the branches, and this will add much more volume and dimension to your centerpiece. See, it's looking good already. And now you'll want to go ahead and add some ornaments to your garland, and this will truly give your tablescape that wow factor. And have a little fun with this part. There's truly no right or wrong way to do it. Then go ahead and nestle in your candlesticks and be sure to add them close to your garland so that they won't take up too much space on your table. And here's a quick tip: if you find that your candlesticks don't stand up right, just go ahead and melt the bottom of it, and while it's still hot, place it directly back into the candle holder and it'll stand upright. And now go ahead and do the same thing for the rest of your candlesticks. And now that the centerpiece is done, you'll want to go ahead and grab your dishes and set the table. And if you want to show off a bit more personal style like I did here, be sure to mix and match your dishes. And of course, you can't forget about the napkins. And although I chose a very non-traditional color for the napkins, they're actually plaid, so they felt very holiday inspired. And now let's add our flatware. And this gold flatware was truly one of my favorite Home Depot finds. It just truly pulled this whole look together. Then of course, can't forget about the wine glasses and the water glasses. And once your guests arrive, you want to go ahead and light your candlesticks because this is how you set the mood. So, I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to head over to HomeDepot.com to check out more videos like this.